Hello everyone, we're back with another AI tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to do faceless videos on YouTube.
5 things about Milky Way that you didn't know, part 2.
So we're going to use AI generated voices, and then we're going to create AI generated videos as well. So first things first, we're going to use ChatGPT to give us the content. So I asked for it to give me top 5 health food, and then I asked it to give me a description. So now I'm going to copy this. So head over to Murph Studio and click on create a project. This is the AI text-to-speech software. We're going to click start blank and then create a project. And then what you want to do is paste your script onto here. We're going to do don't split sentences, and then we're going to do paste script. So now let's check it out. So if you watch this video, you're going to learn how to use the software very productively, instead of wasting days to learn it just like I did. So first thing, when you paste it, you're gonna have to choose a voice. There are hundreds of voices. This is all AI voices that sound very human-like. So this one, you heard it in commercials and
go fast, go far.
So there's a lot of great voices, so I'm just gonna use Charles for now. And you could make him talk faster, you could make the pitch of his voice higher or lower. It all depends on how you want to make it sound. As you go, you're going to learn how to perfect it, and you're going to have better voices. You're going to learn how to do it faster. So let's check it out, how it sounds so far.
Salmon is a fatty fish that is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and boost brain function.
So sometimes you're not gonna get a good pronunciation of a certain word. So what you want to do is you want to double click on the word, highlight it, and then click on pronunciations, and then it's gonna give you a bunch of different pronunciations for that specific word if it's pronounced incorrectly. So in this case, it's all pronounced correctly, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Also, sometimes this AI tool fails to pause between sentences, so you could just click where you want the pause to appear and add a pause. You could do 250 milliseconds or extra strong 1.25 seconds. So you just want to keep that in mind. And so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna fast forward, and we're gonna finish this up, and then I'm gonna show you what's the next step. Okay, so once you have your script all ready and your AI generated voice is good to go, so what you want to do is click on export. So there's two things that we want to export here. We want to export the script so we could turn it into a video, and we also want to export the audio file as well. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download the script, which you may already have, but I want to take it exactly as it is with the AI voice. So we're going to copy the script, and then we're going to head over to our text to video software called invideo.io, and then once you head over here, you want to click on text to video, and it's going to give you a bunch of templates. So for example, if you're doing a summer travel content, you want to click here. If you're doing historical facts, you want to click on this template. So there's a bunch of templates that you want to choose from. So this is going to be like a top 5. So it's going to be like this one we're going to use. So we're going to click on use template. So for example, if you're doing shorts, you want to do on portrait. Square is for Facebook videos, but for now we're going to stick to landscape. So once you're done with this, you could convert it to portrait or square. So let's go ahead and continue. So over here, we're going to paste the script from our AI text-to-speech, and we're just going to give the first line is going to be the headline. So the headline is top 5 health foods, and now this is going to be the script. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this up a little bit to make it more readable and to give it more transitions. And then what I like to do is I like to check the premium. Do not check this iStock, because you only get, each month you get 10 free iStock footages, and you're gonna be stuck paying a lot of money just for iStock footage. So, and then we want to click on create scenes. So now it's setting up the project and is generating us a video. So this is gonna take a little while. Okay, seems like we have it. So a lot of the footages here are not gonna be useful to you because it's gonna be the wrong one, but that's okay. So what we want to do is go on to videos, and then we want to do, let's say, health foods. We want to do organic foods, and then what you want to do is click over here and click on Pexels, Storyblok, Shutterstock, and Pixabay. So it's going to take photos from all of these, and we're going to make sure we only want premium footages, and then click apply. We don't want any iStock because iStock costs money, additional money. So we're going to click apply. Now we want to choose a video that's best. Okay, so it gave us a bunch of videos, so I'm not gonna take much time to explain to show you how to edit the video too much. I'm just gonna show you the best things that you need to know in order to do quick video editing. So what you want to do after you put in the video is click trim video to fit scene. So this is not a good idea right now because I'm going to show you in just a second. So what we need to do first is import the audio as well. So it does have the text onto the video. What we want to do is now export the audio. So I'm going to click on export voice only, MP3, and then click on high. It's going to be for the best quality, and then click on download. So the longer your AI generated voice, the longer it's going to take to export. So we're just going to wait a second until it's ready to download. So we're going to click on download, and then go back to in video. Now what you want to do is click on uploads, and then put the AI generated voice here, and then what you want to do is click on the audio and then drag it down here. We want to match all these scenes with the video, with the voice that we are having. So I'm gonna go ahead and match this all up. So this is not really a editing video, so I'm just going to skip through all of the video editing process. And then once you're happy with the video and the way that everything stands, what you want to do is click on export and click on 1080 for the best quality, and then we're going to click on export. So the great part about this video editing AI text to video tool is you could make unlimited videos. So you can create 10, 20 different videos and then schedule them out throughout the month on YouTube, and you can create really stunning videos that generate a lot of views.
Of the solar system about 4.6 billion years ago, the sun and the solar.
It's the same process that we just used. This video was made with it, and you could hire workers. Average hourly pay is $3 an hour, so you could hire somebody and you can have them bang out 10 to 20 videos. You're gonna use ChatGPT to create all of the content, give it to the worker, let him sit there. You could give him my tutorials and let him learn how to do this whole thing, and like this, for $3 an hour you can have a bunch of videos, and you could generate hundreds of $1,000s per month on YouTube only without any paid sponsorships. In the upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to get Murph AI for free. There's a glitch on it. Please subscribe to my channel for more cool AI tutorials. Thank you very much.